Hi students, today we study two or three most important problem of polynomials chapter. So it is very important and a very easy problem. So the question is, divide the p of x by g of x and find the quotient and remainder. So this question can be asked in a different way also. Find the g of x. Find g of x is the factor of p of x. The solving way of the both the question is same. So let's start the problem. So here in the question first we check both the polynomials are in standard form or not. So if they are not in standard form, first we rearrange them. The g of x is not in standard form, so x square minus x plus 1. So in standard form means we arrange them according to their power, ascending or in descending order. So here we arrange descending order. So in p of x, x raised to 4 minus here there is no x cube term. We take this it as 0x cube. So it is helps us make our calculation very easy. Minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. In this chapter, so the students, you write the problem once and check it twice. If you miss any sign, if you in place of plus, in place of minus, if you change, your problems will become wrong. So okay students, start. So first here first term is x raised to 4 and here first term is x cube, x square, divide these two, we get x square. So right here x square, multiply from x square to all the three terms. So x square into x square, x raised to 4, x square into minus x, x cube plus x square into 1, x square only. So now subtract this one from this one. So change the sign, minus plus become minus becomes minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So this becomes 0. So 0 in 0 plus x cube means 0 plus x cube only. So here both are same sign, means we add them. So it becomes minus 4x square. So write these terms as it is, plus 4x plus 5. Next, this one step is over. Here first term is now x cube and here is x square. After dividing these two we get x. So write with sign plus x. Multiply from x to these three terms, their power increases by 1. So plus x cube minus x square plus x. After multiplying from x. Now change the sign. So minus minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So plus x cube minus x cube 0. Here minus 4x square plus x square becomes, here 4 is bigger one, its sign is negative. So answer becomes negative. 4 minus 1 means 3 only. Its coefficient variable as it is. Plus 4x minus 1x becomes plus 3x. So write this plus 5 as it is. Now here its first term is minus 3x square and here first term is x square. So x square and the get cancelled. So minus 3 remains. Right here minus 3. So if you know it directly, it is not necessary of calculation. You write here only directly. So minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus minus becomes plus 3x. So minus plus minus 3 ones are 3. Now change once again sign. So minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So minus becomes plus. So plus 3x square minus 3x square becomes 0. Plus 3x minus 3x becomes here also 0. So here plus 5 and plus 3 becomes plus 8. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient. So for this you get 3 marks. So r of x is equal to 8 and this is our quotient. Q of x is equal to x square plus x minus 3. So students, so okay students, you get more such videos. You like and subscribe my channel.